YouTube channel. In my last episode, well, not episode, a video, I done American Girl doll morning routine. And I told you in my last video, I promised you all that I would do house tour. So I'm doing that right now, right here. So yeah. I was gonna go live, but now I was thinking no. So yeah. Okay, so let's get started.
You coming with me in the car?
No.
You sure?
Sorry guys about that.
Like
That was just my dad. Okay. I'm so sorry guys, that was just my dad speaking to me about something. But this is my living room. I know it's very, very, very messy. This is my beautiful TV. I would do this with my friends, but you know, I don't want to. And this is my Lego. I've got like so much like that there. Like so much, isn't it? And look at that. I tried to make that one time and it did not work. So yeah, this is just messy art that my friends are playing with me. And then this is my Barbie dolls to get a car. Right here. This is my glass table. And this is my diary. And you know, I got this in the future Fortnite. So you guys, I'm letting you guys see my diary. Okay, I'm not actually, guys. I don't know why I'm holding the camera like that. Sorry, it's a weird way. Now this is my couch. I'm going to show you guys something. It's a little secret home. Let it go in when I want to be private. And this is my dining room. I've got this, my computer areas. And this here, I will probably do some gaming videos on it, but maybe not yet, because I'm not ready for that yet. So I just do like vlogs and stuff, you know. And this is a big chair that we sit on to do the gaming things. This here is my brother's computer, not computer, and PlayStation. And yeah, this is the computer area. And this is our air cookie table, which is really surrounded by Christmas trees. Like, all of this is Christmas toys, even the air hockey table. We got that like 2 years ago. And this is our dining table. And this is, I know, that's just a washing thing. And this is a lovely kitchen. Like, I would say the modern part of our house is our kitchen. Because look at it. This is a lovely oven. So up here is our microwave. And here is a beautiful oven. Because whenever you open it, look, you can do that. And then whenever you open it, you can just slide it in like that so you don't bump anyone. You can just go straight in. And it's so cool. And this is just a random bit that we do for a dog. And here is our dog stuff. So yeah. And this is just our kitchen, yeah. So, let's go to the hallway. The creepy part is here. The hallway. I hate our hallways. It's like so creepy but so beautiful at the same time. I hate it. Oh, just put that on actually. This is my like closet. Yeah. And then this is my bathroom. Let's just not throw in there. And this is where our school bags is. And this one right here is mine. I love it. And this is my brother's. That is my dad's. And I have no idea what my big brother's is, like my biggest brother. And this is just a little thingy. And this is my cousins that I hate so much. They're so weird. And this is my little cousin there, and she was so young. And this is my papa, because he's so alive, guys. Don't worry, he did not die. And this is Ava when she was young. That's Jack. That is Sam, and this is Molly. They're all my cousins. And then this is my other cousin Ben. And then this is my other cousin Dude, and then she's my cousin. He's my papa. Yeah. No. Daddy is at the shops, okay? He's at the club, it won't be long. Sorry guys about that. This is just a mirror. Hey guys, it's me. It is me. See me, do you like my iPad case? Oh, no. There's you guys. Hey, there's you guys. Anyway, it's a creepy closet. No worries. You have two closets for some reason? Oh my god, it's so creepy in there. I hate it. Upstairs now. This is stairs. And this, yeah, this is my stair. I freaked out of that closet. I hate it. And this is my brother's room. This is the upstairs bathroom. This is the hallway. And this is my brother's room. I can't let you see in there. Because he's in there. This is my mom and dad's room. And last but not least, this is my room, which is probably not tidiest one in my room. And this is what I did in my last video. We dressed her up. Yeah. So, this is me when I was in primary 1, guys. I wish I could just, take off those glasses so you could see my beautiful big eyes. But, guys, this is what my eyes look like. How can you get it? This is my eyes. Okay, anyway, that's enough looking at my eyes. Let's just, yeah, really. So she's like my house. And I'm just gonna take out my phone. No one, just turn that around. This is my phone, guys. And yeah, I just got an old phone case. But, I still have a phone, so that's good. Yeah. And this is just a cabinet of pictures on it. No. That is here. I wish I could show you in there, but I can't.
A few days, but this has been out, so it's like not actually stolen. Yes, it's stolen. So, there goes 24 MB/S. Maybe that's mistaken.
Okay, so guys, that was my brother's room. I was terrified to show you guys that. But anyway, that was a relief that I done that. That's the first time in ever I done that. So yeah, guys, see you later. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Be kind to each other. And don't forget to leave a like if you like this video. Bye!